Here's a word problem question involving linear system of equations. Charlie's age and Fred's age add to 44. 13 years ago, though, Charlie was twice as old as Fred. We want to know how old Charlie is now. Well, the question involves age, so we're going to let C be Charlie's age today and F will be Fred's age today. We know that if you add them up, it comes to 44. That first equation is relatively simple then, F plus C equals 44. To make the second equation though, we're going to have to remember that 13 years ago Charlie's age was C minus 13. If it's C today, 13 years ago it was C minus 13. And Fred's age is F today, so 13 years ago it was F minus 13. Well, we know that 13 years ago Charlie at C minus 13 was twice as old as Fred at F minus 13. So C minus 13 as a quantity must equal 2 times F minus 13 as a quantity. What we can do then is distribute that 2. We get 2F minus 26. And rearranging our equation a little bit, what we get is 13 is equal to 2F minus C. What we did here is we added 26 to each side and subtracted C from each side and collected our terms. Well, this is our second equation. So to summarize, our first equation is F plus C equals 44. Our second equation is 2F minus C equals 13. Two equations, two variables, looks good. Moving on then, we can rearrange equation 1. Equation 1 read F plus C equals 44, so we're going to solve for C, and that equals 44 minus F. We're then going to substitute that expression into equation 2. Equation 2 said 2F minus C equals 13, so we sub in 44 minus F as a quantity into that equation. That gives us 2F minus 44 plus F equals 13 when we distribute the minus sign into the bracket. That means 3F minus 44 equals 13. Adding 44 to each side means 3F equals 57. Dividing each side by 3 means F ends up equaling 19. Now, funny enough, we wanted to know Charlie's age today. We didn't want to know Fred's. So what we can do is take that value and substitute it into the equation at the top of the page. At the top of the page, we came up with the equation that C is 44 minus F. C is what we've been looking for. C is Charlie's age today, and that's what the question asks for. So we're going to substitute our value of F equals 19 into that equation right there. Doing that, we get C equals 44 minus 19, or in other words, C equals 25, which means Charlie is now 25 years old.